Back by popular demand for Bulla and a Patty. It's entertaining.
Joyce, oh my Joyce, you are my spoils. I sell flour, I sell sugar, and I sell Royce. For chicken back, you owe me $2.50, but I will let it go if you'll only kiss me. You like it?
No! It's hilarious.
Last night I was in such a good mood. I goes into my shop, take out a bottle of Wincarnis wine, go over the fence and invite Joyce over for a drink.
And what she said?
She said, John, goes over. I will soon be did it.
Ratty Josh, your dream come true. You finally get Joyce to come over your yard.
Marshall, you can't chat stupidness, man. You think if Joyce come my yard last night, shop would have opened this morning, I would declare today a public holiday.
It's Ricky Rowe's for Bulla and a Patty, playing at the Broadway Theatre Catford on the 29th of April. Tickets are just £22. Call the box office now on 020-8690-0002 or book online at www.broadwaytheatre.org.uk. For Bulla and a Patty is a Yardy Boy entertainment production.
Come see it, you know. Yeah, man, come see it, come check it out because, you know, things are going deadly around here, I'm not lie.
So look at I play and look at I Mama house a day now. That is why every youth respect I. The price is what my mind is and teacher sign the man now.
For Bulla and a Patty, member, Broadway Theatre, Catford. You don't know?